Introducing the innovative Atlas retention socket with telescopic extension from Ritherdon. Set the planting depth using the screw supply. Easily extend the planting depth of the retention socket without the need to go on site. The two sections fit together telescopically so that the planting depth of the pole can be adjusted in 25mm increments. That makes it easy to remove and replace a pole without excavation. Featuring the Atlas clamping mechanism, which holds the pole tightly with uniform gripping action. By spreading the clamping force over a larger area, it helps protect the pole surface. The Atlas retention socket from Ritherdon is available in a range of sizes to suit different pole diameters and with various cable entry options to choose from. To find out more, please visit ritherdon.co.uk.